Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on HUAWEI Mate 70. So you have to start by powering off your device and then select power off, and now you have to plug in your phone, and then you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And you can let go of power button when you see your logo on your screen. And as you can see, I'm now in recovery mode, and here you have to navigate using volume buttons and select with power button, and you have to move to clear data and then press power button, then move to factory reset and press power button again, and now you have to type in yes and move to factory reset and then press power button. And now move to back and press power button, and then move to restart and press power button again. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.